heart's a spark of light, painting dreams in the quiet.
Hello. Guten Morgen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy. And ik maak live videos. Mostly of Yiddish. If I'm back to the hunting video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. And if you can't be a channel member, you hit the join button, so you get a lange, riesige Weg. And if you will support the channel, kannst du gehen mit den Wegen. Oder kannst du dann schicken quickpay at viggivibes@gmail. Oder kannst du schicken a quick super chat. Oder bei buy me a coffee /viggivibes. Ich habe gepinnt jene address. So, this is what keeps the channel going. Alright, if I'm going anyway, darf ich sagen, so 100% positively, factually, not financial advice. So please be very careful. Der Market hat wegnehmen alles, was du hast. Das ist geheilig, wie sie die heißt. Alright. I think this is it. Jetzt hat man bei Donnerstag. Dann sind wir close. Sind wir close to Shabbos. Sind wir close to the weekend. Nicht vergessen, das ist ein größer Maler. Es kommt jeden 7. Tag. Sind wir ins Du? Alright, lass mal sehen, was ist Hand of the chopping block. Gold, 4200. Okay, ich habe nicht gewusst. Da gegangen sie 4250. Ich habe ein Sell bei $5,000. Whoop. Dort habe ich ein Sell. Bei $5,000. Hopefully, ich verkaufe Gold. Oh, ich bekomme Gold, of course. Maar wer weiß. Who knows? So yeah. Stehen wir du. Bitcoin, 102. Ich habe gesehen, dass ich gerne das Stück Crypto dumpo. Nicht dump, but a laydown. Lass mal sehen, das. Lass mal sehen, die Futures, du. Boot ist noch ein Flag auf. Der Government hat sich geöffnet, as much as I understand, Nächten. So. Ob sie do any bias, bin ich auf auf. Minijan aber, Minijan. Dow Jones hat Nächten sie gemacht. All-time high. $48,000. Nice. Bitcoin bin ich noch, als es geht umkommen zu 75.000. Menschen sagen, als es geht umkommen zu 20. Which seems a bit steep for me, but again, was weiß ich. Hadi bist du, and you don't mind hitting the like button. Es geht ein langer, riesiger Weg. Only if you like it, really. Not because I'm asking. Okay. Wie steigen wir jetzt an? Next heb ik reviewed van Meaningful People podcast, de Mossad Agent. Ik heb gefühlt die ganze Zeit, wie es mehr als Psyop. Es ist mehr a man greift in sie für etwas versus a echte Schmies. Let's put it that way. Kom eens aan de... Zie wild. Hold on. See how you doing. Ze doet tegen wat me treft gitte music en ook me doet tegen wat is nothing is working. Goonish arbeit Why? Avi Vogel. All the way van Antwerpen. Good morning. How you doing? We zijn gewoon daar nacht. Dan gaan we zien. Dan maar zien wat ze had. Zie Nachman Filmer. Mama. Ja, mama. Not too shabby. Nice. Sommer lieb.
Not too shabby.
I like. Welcome. Ze doet tegen wat ze zo en ze doet tegen wat ze zo, ja? Inai boy. Neem Hashem. Neem Hashem. Ze kind lechtige thee.
Iedereen gaat zich ohne van ze kind gitte thee. Ze kind gitte thee. Ze kind lechtige thee. Iedereen gaat zich meten van ze kind.
Wie wusste geworden mit Arbeit? Als du gesucht hast, you were looking for work, if I remember correctly. Ze kind gitte thee. Ze kind lechtige thee. Es wird sagen, es gibt die bessere Tag. Penny G, hello and welcome, Penny. How are you? Sagen, es gibt die bessere Tag. Go. Good morning, Go. No trades today. You would think that the government effort to go is do up crazy movements, but goonish, huh? Sitting since 7. New Tief out with Rabashkin. Yes, I saw it. I didn't watch it, but I saw it. I'm not gonna lie, the Tief guy is landing some great people. Go should realize the take was missite is the take was you learn. I took with the guys around and I trade the guy down Weg. Man, you at least make money, but the talk with these is where you make money. I mean, not money, but you're building your dann Sitzfleisch, as they say. What's interessant is, and is do movement in the market. You would think the government heeft zich auf. Wat ze kan zijn als is... Deze spy is... Sarugi kiemen naar Poer take terug. Zie 661, jetzt is 683. Better than a red day. Ja. Ich weiß nicht mehr so gemacht, a red day. Sag mal, no, at least ich habe es ausgelernt. Should the market explode? I don't know. The market hat nicht genommen als eine große Setz, weil the government die gewinnt vermacht in the first place. Wenn du auf der day chart es ist auf einem Uptrend schon für eine Minute. So, ja, es sind ein bisschen Retractions, but kick. That shouldn't be a... Hope for QQQ to the tide drop big or rise big. I have options in both directions, but so far running sideways. So the hedge down a bet. Don't know yet. So then terug zat zich gelandt. I'm kidding. Vader dient. Ja, maar je hebt het niet geloofd. QQQ is ook het all the way out of, meaning like there's no significant event. Levadoi, muran vekovodoi. Levadoi, muran vekovodoi. Muran vekovodoi. 8:59. I'm in it banana. Two of them of this kijk dus wie auf a downtrend. The letzte shoe. Letzte zwei shoe. Kijk dus gegangen sideways. En of them auf a trend daarop. Talmud Besimcha 101. Good morning. Tamid Besimcha, I'm sorry. How you doing? Wieso is dan zo vrij? Wieso is dan nacht? Kennen Sie das nicht pinkt a drop, weil ich kein Financial Advice, weil jeder einer expect soll raufgehen. Seltzer guy. Guten Sie Morgen, how you doing? It's been a minute. Sie sehen Rabbi Seltzer guy. Rabbi Fizzy. Sag mal, du Gitter Seltzer, trinkst da so ich sag, als der Fizz macht doch this. You know what I'm saying? Mekadish Ashiri Kulam Yisbayu Yisangi Shabbos. ZZ, how you doing? How are you though? Benamir Shabbos. Ay, 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 Het is ook een harde vriend waarom we gaan live op een getracht. The idea as who watches me, you know, we never know. En zij zegt me get als Was that Frikos? The DJ, the Sky DJ. Good morning, how you doing? How are you? Siehst du, ich habe ein Feeling, dass es will Arugan, der Market will Arugan. Nicht kein French advice, but... What's the zeal? Lebe die Gestätel auf? Fins helfen sie weiter. Helfen sie weiter. Baruch Hashem lebendig. Nice. BH lebendig. Bitte. Sky DJ, die hat gesucht, dass der released eine neue situation. Wie kann man das sehen? Pre-market is no indication of any direction. Big boys come in 9:30. Go, that's when I come in. I'm like, make place. Kidding. Which I'm not. Ich bin in trading rehab. The goal for me is zu sitzen auf a trade and nicht touchen. That is my training. Oh, es kommt raus mal zu Shabbos. I see. Okay, ich habe gemeint, schon rausgemacht. Habe ich schon gewollt gar nicht sehen. You like it? It's good? Are you happy with it? I quit when the größte Tatas kommen. Can't figure. I can't. Yeah. The Bazai can never losses. Like they can never 2 Gedushim losses. They have no issue with that because they know in 2 Gedushim with him they'll have a gain. We said alle losses are ausblasen von der Wasser. They cheat the system. It's a hidden live, or just for my ears only. But also, Go, aren't you trading? Then Shika Saran. These trades the penny stacks in a sense, meaning like this doesn't make a difference. Viggy vibes at Gmail. Viggy. This is not my vibes. There you go. Dyslex 101. Hold on, look at this. VIBES vibes. Action is in LRH. Einer followed wie heißt das, Scientology. LRH. Or by the Weise of Scientology. A child trafficking cult. Na 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 met oi wasche. Chem weil der ein bestet es geht. Ein bestet es geht. Ein bestet es geht. Wasche. Geht oi wasche. Chem weil der ein bestet es geht. Der ein bestet es geht. Ribidi nach Lange Saskai. Shem Basecho.
Ushi, Malchis, varikoi siluchem dus mein Schäfer. Och, sa Schäfer. Siluchem, luchem beruchu, abdelidai. Varikoi siluchem, luchem beruchu, abdelidai.
Nobody's getting it. Nobody's getting it. But they can't spiel and do live, right? Wow, 140 in green. Nice. Sky DJ, can I play it live here? I just want to double check. Yup. Okay. You know my die. That's it easy. One second, Kevra. We're gonna have hold on. Jetzt gehen wir oben the Sky DJ. Gehen wir ins oben. Debuten. Sein Mix, was kommt aus Matzo Shabbos. Nice. Okay, let's get into it. Nee.
Alter Gedäns.
Oh.
The Sky.
The DJ. Da. Let's go. Get. Zijn we fans van Meilig? Yep, indeed. Good. So far, fire. Ba. Mijn voet bij de garage. Plateau. Boom. Oh, bijna. Oye, ver, hoy der Schulem. Oye, ver, hoy der Schulem. Oye, ver, hoy der Schulem. 3, 2, 1, go. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba. Did it right there, down. I. Let's go down like I. 1, 2, 3, go, boom. Don't worry. Het is stikkelig vind ik in hem. Get fire so far. Ik ben nog een beetje old school, zoals dat be. I'm like, oi, dating. Oi, what's it on? But it's good, it's good. Wie lang is het? Zeg eerlijk, zo van me enjoyed it. Nee. Good morning. Don't do Jewish classic music. We got even just a little. Nate, whoever knew, it's the music. Boom, bam, boom. Bam, 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 ba, 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 ba. Give people what they want, you're saying. What do people want, huh? No, not a question mark, I see. Holiday, Middle Eastern. Dus je hebt het aan neutralize a bisschen. Like, what's gonna happen next? We don't know. Ba, ba, ba. Ba. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one. Health insurance. Good. Good one. Pa pa da pa. Pa da 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 pa pa da da. Health insurance. It's not the health insurance. Wake up the health insurance. Health insurance. The oi got the oi 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 oi. Bam bam bam. Bam bam bam. Ow. Oi tatte. That it. Oi tatte, health insurance, health insurance, health insurance. Ba 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 ba. A bisschen mehr, should have been more stretchy music. Like F in the room. Zeig it, this guy. Zeig it. Am Mensch lacht, den Gott lacht, am Mensch lacht, den Gott lacht. Você macht, você tracht, andore. Yes, Benny. En hij draait dus aan zeggen de volume. Weet je wie je aan de bottom heißt? Amen, tracht in Gott lacht, Andore, lacht u willen nog vieren met plaats.
Das in dem Gresten, wir hackt es so in Westen, mit verbieden Besten, wir wird da Millionär. Du noch was gerne machen, oh, jetzt nicht auf Schwachen, der ganze Tag schreit krachen, oh, ist es nicht schwer. Am Mensch tracht in Gott lacht, am Mensch tracht in Gott lacht,
Andore, ich will, wo weiß es, wenn sagt.
in der Macht, wo sie tracht, in der Macht, wo sie tracht, in nur der Macht, du willst, genau schweren den Plan.
Der ein Generation noch dem Penny ist schon okay mit der Musik. Sie tanzen schon mit haben. Dann Vetter, was vielleicht ausflogen der Musik. Los sei tanzen. Ist der ganze Meiden jetzt. Der Becker hat 12 Kinder, aber jetzt ist am Meiden. Max Spitz. Good morning, good morning. How you doing? Welcome. Bist du dansen free? This is the Sky DJ music remix. Das geht rauskommen am Moshe Shabbat. Das haben wir debut. Sehen wir das so live für das erste Mal. Schein. Ich bin die Junge. Als de Kovet Shabbos, so your Shabbos. Penny. It's a 10. Sally. Good morning, Sally. How are you? How was your morning? Nate, you're gonna have to wait until Motzei Shabbos. It's the Sky DJ. Oh, Nate. Du weißt, was ich bin, ne? Heiliger Beschäfter, wir haben dies was du weh, was du alto si, alto sir mi, meni lejoj lobo mi, alto si, avos tu lejoj lo mi. Ich share the YouTube account with Sky DJ. This is coming out on Motzei Shabbos. So Yerida, letoy de Chaliya. Yerida, letoy de Chaliya. It's a good sign, Penny. You were doing dishes, huh?
Essa shiro azois, essa shiro azois, essa shiro azois lashem. No, so shir moishe rabbi. Even my yisruwa. Essa shiro azois.
And you've got the saxophone.
Essa shiro azois lashem.
This, what we're listening right now, Sally. Okay. This was from Sky DJ. Was a guy to release in the Mocha Shabbos. Very well, Sky DJ. Stark enjoyed. Thank you for the share as ich so können spielen in here. Very nice. Not gonna lie. It's very good. You're going places, my man. You are going places. Don't let it, don't let it stop you. You get what I'm saying? It was very nice. It was very good. Es gibt ein Platz, wo es gegeben hat, ein Stückchen Hahure, but again, after the fact, jeder einer ist a Thursday morning, wir suchen a Tuesday morning quarterback, gedacht, wenn Tina so machen, als sie lachen her, but it's very good. Sky DJ, great job. We appreciate it. Koyach fahren scheren, Koyach fünf mir trachten in Klären, Gein in der Wald nicht meure Hoben von Bären. Sei so emotional, my Augen haben Tränen. Yeah, listen. Thank you. Ich habe gar nicht getan. Ich habe just genutzt mein Euer. Und die hast genutzt dein Talent. And I get a mix between Yiddish music, nicht gegangen too far, not too left, not too right, down the center, to appease everybody, which a DJ, I think that's what a DJ is about, to take old and existing music and make it, enmesh it into something great. Because a DJ macht nicht echt music. Technically, weißt du, what technically, but echt macht ja, because he is putting stuff together, adding on things. So irgendwie macht ja. But in the sense wie macht nicht echt. But takes a lot of talent, takes a lot of dedication, man darf es hören. Und wenn man macht Music, darf man sein in the mood auch. Like, du bist nicht in the mood, kannst du nicht echt arbeiten darauf, so. But good for you. Wenn du siehst, die Menschen, ja, die bei der Buberi, frag sei, die Hosta, wie heißt es in draußen? I don't think so. Get what I'm saying? Lass dich nicht, wenn sei. The challenge is sie geben mal 3. Okay? So lass dich nicht. Stay strong. Ich höre ein bisschen soft music, weil sie lebendige Music at all times and it's good. Exactly. The crowd control the gewesen geht. Everything was good. Ba, 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 ba. Wenn es ungeheben, Sky DJ, wenn es ungeheben, die Venture, wenn es die ungeheben, the crowd können heuben. Okay, bin zurück. Finde View zurück, nice, okay. Finde Musik sagt man, du bist nicht nein, but finde View dich nicht. Meaning, like don't look at it like, oh, hier schon finde View. You get what I'm saying? Just let it be. Mach scheinen Energien, you know. It's beautiful. You're doing a heck of a great job, my man. Und so wissen, dass die allergrößten DJs haben gehabt ein Breakthrough. Meaning, sie haben gehustelt und keiner hat nicht gesehen, wie der Breakthrough ist. And just one day, wie einer sagt, gearbeitet 10 Uhr schwer. In overnight is geworden a professional, you know what I mean? So, you'll get your break. And it will be amazing. Noah, thank you for the sharing du mit uns. Man kann machen du wie heißt das? A live jam session. Ooh. No? Sky DJ. Toefzetten de DJ's auch. Und wir machen also soft die kannst mixing live oder nicht echt? Ist nicht kann das. Sky, so wissen, dass wir immer ein bisschen Lessons in DJing. I'm going to DJ for. I can't DJ. Like I didn't want to do it. I just got a DJ set. And ik wilde helpen met a DJ set. So ik ben gegaan to a school. I dedicated money. And I did it for a few minutes. Just for me doing the home. Nothing crazy. Die kent DJ in slow music like they as we do, or nor. I'm trying to figure it out, you know. Trap oder stamma chilled vibe, oder lebendige in wilde. Ja. Es ist, was kommt daran, eine Sache mit Mood, ja? Das ist in der Mood. Du bist nicht in der Mood, kannst du nicht heranchecken in der Groove. Kannst du mal kennenlernen an der Kroin von der Loof. We don't know yet. EDM is especially. Okay, so wir machen eine EDM situation. Wir machen eine Party mit das kein DJ. Einer hat müssen sagen, das DJ. Okay, I think maybe. You know, also, wo ist dann längste Set? Like, wo ist dann Set, wo die kannst spielen? And by the way, mistakes are welcome. Oopsies are welcome. The mehr mistakes die machst, the besser die bist. That's how I judge it. Obviously, nicht darauf zu geben auf YouTube, darf man minimizen mistakes, of course. But in a live set, the mehr mistakes, the besser. So was mehr wie human die bist. Obviously, die guys see Tomorrowland or whatever es heißt. Verstehe ich, also, you gotta perform your best. But do by the Viggy vibes. Some aggressive scene. You know what I mean? But it was very good. Thank you. So the eerste trade geween a no-go. Ze gaan naar L. So geringen alle wrong bells. We geween op de schwel. Ich meine an echt hat man geprintet the letzte penny in the United States. After 232 years, today's U.S. Mint has made the last penny. Oh, 4 hours. Okay, way too much. Meaning I don't need 4 hours. The problem with the previous trade, das ich habe vergessen. Ich bin gegangen für das Geld, nicht für den Move. Which is terrible. Ich bin gegangen für den Move, nicht für den Trade. Nicht für das Geld. Gotta remember that. Gotta run flat. Ich meine, der amerikanische Government hat verloren $64 million für machen Pennies jede Jahr. Rebe, debe, debe. Hage called out of as a guy Tarugan, that we can buy stuff out of. But didn't play it well, which is okay. We lernen sich aus für den nächsten Tag alles, you know. We lernen sich aus. Trump signed a bill ending the largest U.S. government shutdown in history. Trump has signed a bill funding legislation averting further disruption after 35 days of shutdown. The Democrats haben gekämpft. I think that was his goal. The Demokratische haben gekämpft. Ich habe gesehen auf X, wie die Oile mal geschrien. Du hast gesehen 8 Senators, wo sie haben gewotet für den Bill. Und ich verstehe nicht, sie haben geschrien als don't you own the House and the Senate and everything? Und wo schreien sie jetzt auf seine Senators? Hypocritical. A new Democratic representative, Raul Gargiva, a Democrat from Arizona, vows to be decisive signature in effort to unseal Jeffrey Epstein's file. Ich habe aber nicht keine Ahnung, was das ist. The Democrats are again in power for 4 years. Posted nicht herausgegeben damals the files. Because they know Esther in the Schwester. Hello and welcome. How you doing? Canada stopped producing pennies in 2013 for the same reason. Nice. But isn't that a problem that there won't be pennies anymore? Meaning everything will have to cost 5 cents. Nothing will be penny. But you're penniless. I'm like, yes, because the government stopped making pennies. So I'm Nicholas. Good joke, Viggy. And I say release it all. Vinny, my question is to dir also. Oib, listen to me. Oib, lass mal sagen, if you release it, and it's such a zets that it rips the fabric of the United States apart. Would you want to release it? I'm not saying to do a right way or a wrong way. But there's a reason for was man released das nicht. Sie can auch sein, dass it's blown out of proportion. Meaning, as they gave a 3 and they made it into a 9, was I'm going to bring Trump, and now they have, again, you did the crime. Whoever did crime should do time. That's my, should get punished. Schillig basis. Republican, Democrat, Trump, my cousin. Especially those type of crimes. But the cue is, if it rips the fabric of the United States, would you still be in favor to release it? There must be something up because the Democrats are given in power and they didn't release it. And ook is Muguru is getting an informant. That Trump was an informant. So I think there's corruption. Yes, there should not be two classes of people. I agree, Penny. But if it rips the fabric of the United States, the United States as we know it is no longer. Would you still? I think it would be very demoralizing for the American people. I'm not talking about shame, Esther. I'm not talking about shame. First of all, how are you? How's it going? Second of all, I'm not talking about shame. I'm not saying like, oh, it's shameful. I'm speaking more from a perspective of chaos if you find out the truth. Moishi Feldman. Good morning. How you doing? All beautiful people, yes. How you doing, Moish? What's going on? So, Penny, sag mo man, yeah, just release it. You sure? You sure you want to release it? I'm not saying you shouldn't. I'm just saying, like, if it was let's put it that way. If it was so terrible, right? If it was such a terrible person and he blackmailed a lot of people into it, there was innocent people that he blackmailed, yeah? Meaning, wir sind gekommen zu einer Party, man hat getrinken, man gelacht, man hat fun. I was sitting on my hands, winner, chicken dinner. Wat er ook geriefen a congressman oder whatever, met hem gegeben zu trinken. Alle meidlich zijn dort gewesen 25-year-olds, 20-year-olds. Met hem gegeben drugs. En met instructed de meidlich als nur de 17-year-old zou zich chappenen. And he fell in, because of drugs and epilepsy. And they blackmailed him, right? He's gonna go down as the same person who is a schlechter. So, just saying. I'm good. I hope you are too. Nice, Esther. I'm all right. I'm okay. I'm hanging in. By a big, thick rope. Someone said, I'm hanging in with a thin line. Nope. I got some good lines. I'm kidding. But just woke up, still getting there. Good morning, Moishi. Wie sagt man, a counselor weiß, meine ich, heißen, die jetzt auch weiß in Salem. Vielleicht um Good Morgen. Hast du nicht was zu sorgen? Nimm nur dann Broschen, nimm nur auf die Cheese, findet sein. Vielleicht das sogar. Something like that. I did a tiny infraction in ways expensive to fight and the names on my record. Yes, Penny. Ich bin mit dir. Ich bin mit dir. There's no doubt. I have no doubt as wie heißt es? But the problem is that the Rosh Hashanah finna von a Moiset gets away way more wie der Schlepper, ja? There's everywhere a two-tier system. Du kannst nicht machen auf... This is communism. Communism will machen auf... Also jeder eine derselbe. Which is not possible. It's not possible. It's nicht... it's not realistic. Let's go from the bottom. The bottom of Jeffrey Epstein. What was it about? Who protected him and why? There's a lot of theories. Avrumi. Hello and welcome. Avrumi bist Naidu. The problem is mit den One-Namers, also ich weiß nicht, nein oder nicht, but welcome. Penny, wusstest du, ob der Amos ist nicht geht für dich? Would you still release it? The theory is that gewesen ein Mossad agent, ja, weil Ghislaine Maxwell die Tate gewesen an der Mossad. Would you still release it? Ich hab es gesagt. Avrumi from another tab? No, I don't think it's this Avrumi. I doubt it. Yeah, no, Avrumi is kommt daran mit der letzten Nummer. I mean, like, I know that Avrumi. MCETS. Good morning. How you doing? How is you? Wie sie gewähnt an Zifferi? Die Chance wie a Blim. Wie a starke Sinn mit a Beam. Fein und soft wie Ice Cream. Can Mossad do crimes? Yes, of course. Sometimes you have between a bad and a bad decision. An even worse decision, you know? The Welt is a schmitziger Platz. And in order to win, you gotta get dirty as well, right? Yes, it's this Avrumi. How dare you put me on mute, Avrumi?
How dare you?
I'm joking. But welcome, Avrumi. Schein dir zu haben, du. So, ich such Penny. Wie weit geht das? Ist es Tage gewesen so? Was it that bad? Was it blown out of proportion because etwas Trumpy gewesen a situation? You get what I'm saying? Kein Democrat and nicht auf der List? Cool, that's what I'm saying. I got a cold, that's what I'm doing. The CIA and the FBI are also not clean. Exactly, Moshe. I'm not... Nobody starts the line mit a Wasser sheet at Tzadikl. You know what I'm saying? Jeder fängt an schmutzig. I would love this chat. Finally came in, huh? Entrapment, okay. If, again, wenn de Weg wieso die fragst de Kasche, fragst das, is the obvious answer no. But that die hast a country, and die bist loyal to that country, and you have to have bullets in your gun. In this is made as if a certain war, you have to entrap people. I mean, I'm not saying ich. I'm just saying, like, if it's a bigger picture, you get what I'm saying? Brooklyn, where are you? Brooklyn, Penny is looking for you. I hope all is well with Brooklyn. Kick on the beeper story, the pager story, right? Look how many things they had to do to get it and to execute it. You get what I'm saying? About the pagers? They had to do it so man sich gedacht in so viel Sachen. In wie viele Menschen man sich gedacht what if the pager story ich gewinne bei der Platz, they had to manipulate one guy. They had to entrap one guy to get it. Would you not call it and say, okay, do it? If you're a head of an agency, and man kommt dann sagen, as everything is in plan besides for that one dude. The psychologist talked about PTSD yesterday was full of crap. Yes. His percentage were way off. I bet his friends many Holocaust survivors. Yeah, it was driven, Esther. It was driven. They had there was something there. There was something there. Also hat es geschmeckt. I said it even when the conversation went, okay, let's talk about your misssuite thing. You can go back and see that I said, from here on, there's nothing really you could believe. Because if they need to manipulate a guy in Damascus because of their greater good, let's go for positive. They will manipulate you as well. Why would they stop? Oh, no, die bist Israeli citizen. Or another citizen. Won't do it for you. He loves these conversations. I don't know where he is. I don't know. I should make, find me, phone find me, iPhone find me, whatever size. Find my phone is Find My Brooklyn.
Hello.
Yossi Braver. Good morning. How you doing? Survivors are tougher. Hashem gave them unused koyach. Yeah, okay. But it is more from a psychological thing. They were, and they didn't see much like, no, it's all good. I mean, a few points, which is, it's level 1 for some. As when du bist in captivity, ist es nicht so gefährlich. Because you're already there. Ja, es ist like a hingerig and stuff, but it's more of the, wenn man doch aufgepickt. But the way how he was talking about it, and he also spoke like this. And also wie gesagt, man hat aufgepickt the survivors, and you try to dim the lights, because you don't want to overwhelm them. Also hat geredet auch, you know. We don't want to judge them. We don't want to say anything, but and it was like, what are you selling? Because it doesn't feel like I'm buying it. You know what I'm saying? But it's okay. It's okay. Meaning, it's not okay, but what is Viggy gonna do about it? Absolutely nothing. So, Penny, die ganze Sache wegen der Epstein-File is problematic. You know, when man arrested George Santos, ihm hat ihm gegeben 7 Jahre von Prison. Von dort allein hast du gesehen. No. They need to shut him down. Sie haben ihm gedacht, weglegen in einem Kehle. Because he was too much of a disruptor. Hat man getroffen, ein Mistake, ein kleiner Mistake, was du zu machen, ein B, hat gemacht, ein A. Ki sind nicht du kann Nancy Pelosi tracker. There's people that make a lot of money, they follow Nancy Pelosi's investments. Of a salary from $200,000, she's worth $250 million. Come on. In which La La Land are you living in? So these days do us is corrupt, us is too. And when she do COVID, geht sie machen de Hoor, because she's a congresswoman, so she the House Speaker, sie kann nicht raus gehen und machen de Hoor, and sie was ihr favorite chocolate ice cream. Because that's what people wanted. That's what people needed. Chocolate ice cream. You know what I'm saying? It's odd. It's odd. She should be Trent. She should be banned from trading. Jetzt schon over. Sie ist schon 95 years old or whatever. Ist auch eine Sache, wo die kennst nicht. Die kennst nicht zurückhalten. Die kennst nicht zurückhalten. How you gonna know? Die tun nicht oben Investments. Sie darf relinquishen alle ihre Investments. It's all stissen. It's all stissen. It's not something you could So wenn man arrest a congressman oder etwas, ist der wissen, als geruffled the feather somewhere else and just is needed to get him. Sie derselbe blackmail, sie derselbe entrapment, just mit a different situation, just mit a, you know. Sie ist 40 Jahre in Congress. 40 oder viel mehr? I don't know, 60 years? I don't know, ich weiß nicht wie lang. In sie geht sie an No Kings Protest. In guys mir sagen, als sie ist Alamed Wufzadik. She doesn't have any corruption in her bone. Sie just tools, was man nutzt. So they sage ich Penny, that if you come out with a list, if it's that bad, kann man sie machen ganze Tennischielen, if you know what I mean. But as always, was kann man tun? What can you do? No perfect system. No system is perfect, I mean to say, sorry. You know what I mean? So nicht du, wegen dem Communism arbeitet nicht. Wegen dem Communism arbeitet nicht. Echt Communism, meaning, as jeder eine should get a house and a car and woodwork, if everybody stuck by it. The reason it's arbeit nicht is because people don't stick by they don't stick by it, you know. Jeder eine will sich kennen mehr von sich allein. Take a deep breath. Calm down. I'm already calm, so can't get calmer than that. Take it easy. Okay, that's the breath helping. Life is too beautiful to be angry about old, almost dead woman. Dead woman. Well, that woman is making damage. You know what I mean? En ik zorg me eens op dat level, meaning, maar dat nog ervan. Alles geht's. Flippin' crazy, good morning. To you as well. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Bobby Bobby. Was geht vor mir dit? Just finished MMA. Nice. Nice. I hope you kicked some higher doings. I hope you grew. You know what I mean? What's the topic? Jetzt hat man ein bisschen mal geredet von den Epstein-Files. Immer sind angefahren, sie wegen Releasen in the government and stuff like that. Sie man soll releasen, das sie nicht. Ich habe gefragt, ob sie kann hargen an the fabric of the United States, nicht on an emotional level, on a physical level, would you still release it? So, one of the highlights of MMA is judo. What's the highlights? Dit is de mit Agi oder ohne Agi? Alles geht's. Jurgiles. But otherwise, it's either that stille, calm morning. Nothing cooking. Nothing cooking, really. Wenn dit is Jiu-Jitsu, ist das mit so wie ein Bäckchen? Man rief das Gi? Love the live sub count? Yes. I figured it out. So, I was gleich doen. So, the full gear heißt Agi. Welche Belt bist du? Bist white? Bist noch ein weißer Belt? Noch bist ein weißer Belt? Oder ein blue Belt? Suit and trousers. Sag mir, dass du kommst von England without telling me you come from England. I wear my suit and trousers. Das heißt, Guy, sir. I'm kidding, man. I do the suit and trousers. Weil ich noch red von Jiu-Jitsu, viel ich stark wie I need to go back. I need to go back, you know? Darf zurück gehen, I gotta start doing it again. HBS. Good morning, how you doing? Wat tut sach? Was geht vor Mittag? Schon gegeben Hand Allah. Wo hat mir schon Hand gemacht? What did we do already? Joking, how you doing? Hatte ist a stille, calm morning. So me früh rausgehört von The Sky DJ. Sein Sach, was geht releasen, Masha Shabbos. Today is a good day to release a song with Spetifske Rebbe. Nice. That would be great. I can't wait to hear it. Ich will es hören. Mit dem Moichtin heranklären. Ich hoffe, es hat keinem nicht stören. So schick es heran. Mit dem Fragen, wo es ist am Plan. Ui, Adlekan. Wo ich jeder kann. When released this, HBS and some gehört früher, the Sky DJ is going to release something on Motzei Shabbos, and we debuted it here. So my server was down. Oy vey. Zan server was down. Geklickt refresh wie a clown. And it was like, get me out of here. What's happening? You're naturally very creative with lyrics. Ich gram, no? Ich bin a Grammer. Der beste Part von Grammar hab ich lieb, wenn man so get Shabbos. You should turn it into... Ja, der regelt man like pressure, kommt gut nicht heraus. You know? It's a shame and a gross violation. Man beit sich auf die ganze Nation. Ich bin Dominican, nicht Haitian. Ich suffer von Inflation. Mit den ganzen Brazen. Die Jointin lesen. Sie machen die Welker auf sich und lesen. Dem Chicken-Tin basen. Man Kartin racen. Ja, so geht es. Was kann ich tun? It's a part of my brain. There is no shame. Kein nicht auslöschen dem Flame. I feel nicht 6 Millionen, wo sie gefahren auf a Train. Ich will mich aufheben, hecher wie der Crane. Ich will schauen, sag mehr von mein Pain. Menschen sagen, aber du bist in ganzen lame. Ich will zurückkicken zu sein, sagen, das ist dein Problem. Tust das, weil du willst oben ein bisschen Fame. So, wegen dem gehst du mir ashamed? Weil du bist geworden, meine Schwachkeit? Wegen dem nichts ist against mich. What's happening here, Viggy? What's happening? What's going on? What's going on? Wo tut sich? Send you a picture what I wear. Nice. Hold on. Agi, das heißt Agi. Man, so rief man das. Ins rief mir das Agi. Oi wie, sich mir ins Agi. Judo is one of the takedowns. Yes, judo is throwing. Judo is warfen. Judo tut man warfen. Es ist wie ein Husten, aber warfen. de moich tien scharfen. You know? Ribi pa pa pa. Piri 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 piri. When someone tries to swing, the guy doesn't stand a chance. Doesn't stand a chance. Get? Yes. Ik denk in we gewinnen naar judo eine sa judo black belt die gekommen sie eine von meiner class das was genommen and read wegen judo and a guy walks up to him like a whatever gerief my volunteer auf zu kommen. That guy flew down so fast to the ground, he didn't even know what hit him. He went from Grud to horizontal pretty quick. It's gonna da Farup. Is gefallen, auf den Kopf gehabt, aber no. Im Morgen hat gesehen, pusht down. Just the Weg, wieso liked him up. Get him as a chap. Right hand, sleeve. I'm coming up to orange belt. Okay, this MMA. So you're doing MMA. MMA is different. Different belts. Nice. Good for you, alles good. Hope you Samis, you know what I mean? Alright, Gevra. Ik ga niet treden. Maar endlich mit der L, aber wir sind Rehab. Meaning, aber man darf sein stark. Wegen der Moves. Wir tun nicht schricken, gut nicht. So, ich habe gut nicht gerickt Hand. Ich kann mir geben eine A-Trading Hand. Hand ich eine A-Trading. Also darf ich self-visualizen, judgen. Ich kann mir eine A. By the way, Penny, any Sache für martial arts, besides the lernen to host, fighting or whatever, sich zu protecten, it also works on your ego. Because you're always going to find someone bigger, stronger than you, that can take you down, and die das de aufgeben. Is het lernen to host ook het als, you better run, man. You better not fight, you know? Ich sag, in a fight, you do zwei losers. Someone that loses, and someone that loses more. Nobody wins in a fight. So, it's mental therapy, yes. But MMA, to be honest, MMA is big chance, not big, but chances canst to werden injured. But the guys see a jiu-jitsu school only, was dit nur jiu-jitsu, nicht competition jiu-jitsu. It becomes an art. It's confidence, it's happiness, yes. Dat die wijst dat die kent zich kennen, man. Bist een man, oder even a woman. That you know that you have some form of chance, some form of ability to stand up for yourself. You know? It gives a certain confidence. It gives a certain, like, I got this. That's why I think it's very important as Mizolgansi Jiu-Jitsu. Jiu-Jitsu is just because of injury, less prone to injury. The problem, the issue with Jiu-Jitsu, that it's very awkward for the first 3 months when you fangst doing. It's a very, because it's very close to mention, it's nicht sie gewohnt. Money gunish. Money is just a tool. Hvis bauen a hose, that's the hammer. Kessish bauen a hose on a hammer, right? It's the hammer and is the hose. But they get their self-confidence. If you start realizing wie die steist auf der Welt, wie jener steht, kannst dich protecten. In Ogen, dat die läufst da weg von der Fight, weißt du, die bist der Winner. Wenn die bist nicht da getrainter, meinst du, die miss gewinnen. And the problem is mit fighting that A, you don't know how to fight. B, the other person might just get lucky and land a punch in your face and you're not going to remember 3 days in a row, weißt du, man? And you're going to hit the concrete and now you're in a wheelchair and somebody wipes your tushka. Just because mis gewähnt a stickel egotistic. Alles gibt's. Jeder einer hat sein eigene period time of wie so se fühlt. In verwusse awkward, but aber es geteam von 5 Uhr. Ich habe gesehen, sei das 8 Menschen unheiben, so I kind of talking a little from experiences, not just saying out of my how you doing? Alles gibt's versus Viggy. Ich bin nicht MMA Penny. I play it more when I was getting, I did it more of an art. I saw 70-year-old people doing it, so I was like, I want to do this till I sort of die. You know, I haven't done it like in a year or so, but the plan is to go back. You just have to find a right place, you know. I feel like I'm going to view and it's still awkward to start, you know. But if you can get over the first awkwardness, man, what an experience. In the Sache is mit ihr nicht red strictly from jiu-jitsu. I'm not talking about MMA. I'm not talking about any competition Brazilian jiu-jitsu. I'm strictly talking about jiu-jitsu. I don't want to get Viggy horizontal in the blink of an eye. By the way, I remember beginning in Krav Maga. I did Krav Maga code. And at Ausgeland wie man macht throws. And there was one guy who had insisted me charutze warfen. And he injured my knee. So, that's why I don't like these things. Besides jiu-jitsu. And you have to find, so wie a yeshiva, you have to find the right one for you. I need to find one. I want to go, but it's as kolas kushas. Maybe for 2026. Maybe that would be my, so far I walked every day, 2025, 10,000 steps, 5 miles. So maybe my 2026 resolution will be jiu-jitsu. It's all about skill. But die Wissenschaft mal setzen, noch den davon nehmen, dann life uphill. You know? I'm just saying. But I would highly recommend jiu-jitsu. Jiu-jitsu. Piri, 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 piri. Yeah, you're on high alert. I wouldn't say like high alert. Meer of device was titzig. You understand physics. Where is a danger? What is a danger? Oh, by the way, yesterday on my walk, I fell down. The godder, the curve was too big and my foot slipped. And I credited my view of jiu-jitsu not to break anything. Because I had I had this on my hand and I had my phone. Stootje protecting my phone with this, I threw my phone away. And I just took the fall. Yeah, I just realized. Ow. Yeah, finger did that. And the Sache is, I felt my ankle. Felt my ankle. but I decided to keep walking. The art of MMA is taking somebody out without folding his clothes. knocking his shoes off, huh? MCTS, good one. I'll give you that, good one. You were looking too hard for money and slipped. No, I was actually looking down on my phone. Good one. Kimura is good stuff, yeah. Viggy Schäferler. Foi. No, the song is called Foi. Yeah, I'm good. But I contributed my guitar foul again because my body went into training. It was funny. And when I did not look if people were watching me. Just FYI. I just going through it now in my head. HBS, wann kommt es heraus? Wie viel Zeiger? Donnerstag nach gehe ich live, so, why are you doing this to us, huh? Put him on the side, the confidence one gets from his Alles geht. Zwei andere Sachen. It's like saying, put MMA aside, the challah was gegessen, the dip, was crazy good Shabbos. Was hat das mit dem? Zwei andere Sachen. Knowing how to fall is everything. Yes. I don't know if you mean it physically and mentally. Both. We mean it both. It's just funny. Falling instinct. It's not falling instinct. When you train jiu-jitsu, they teach you how to fall all the time. That's what they do at the beginning of classes. Every time you smack your hand. HBS. Ooh, alles geht so good, huh, HBS? I'm not the one saying it. Releasing them, Viggy. The live review now. Nice, Sally. You should enjoy every minute. Maybe we'll see you in the videos, yeah? Like maybe we'll one of you, they'll have the video. You never know with Sally, yeah. It's confusing. It's very confusing. I'm like, I don't know what she wants. Does she mean that way or this way? Both ways. You gotta embrace the fall, relax the body. Yeah, maar toe zich geschappen. You're not allowed to catch yourself because then you're breaking your shoulder. Because you hit your hand and it goes all the way up to your shoulder. And then something in your teeth fell out from your molar. I remember when I was in actually jiu-jitsu, when I was actively doing jiu-jitsu, I remember I was doing laundry in an apartment building, and I remember walking down, I got my Crocs, but then I remember I was on the floor because it was wet. I don't remember the fall. The next talk, I had some pain, but I realized that for not for jiu-jitsu, I would have broken my bones. And jiu-jitsu taught me how to fall. So I was shoveling the driveway yesterday and slipped on some ice. Was able to recover. Asked you to dance training. You were doing the cha-cha, huh? You were doing the ice slide. Watch, be careful. Be careful about the snow. You saw a funny Guppa video? Nope. Confused and confused. Is what license plate says. Confusion. The confusion. I've taken a few false preventive courses because of my stroke. Oof, sorry. And the main point is to focus on where you are. And you are stepping. Yes, yes. You gotta go into the fetal position, no? Like, you shouldn't stretch out your hands. Don't grab, don't chop. Chopping is the worst. And the best thing is if you can take your chin to your chest. Chin, chest is the best. Yankee T. Hello. How you doing? Tell us everything. Was geht for the Yankee? What's going on? Come on, Yankee. So nice. Sorry, HBS, we need to take a break. Yankee the Goosnest checked in.
Yankee the Goosnest checked in.
How you doing, Yankee? Das ist echt empfen. We're just all so excited. So nice. All right. Sorry. Okay, we're back. We're back. I'm a different person. Nice, nice. Here's the taste of the favorite channel. Oi, wo suchst du? Sie dreht, sie passt nicht wie eine CD. Sie singen also. Foi. Ja, so. Die Amerikaner guy. Good. Thank you, HBS. Welcome, Yankee. So glad to see you. It's Mr. Yankee for us. It's Mr. Yankee. Mr. Yankee on aisle 1. Sie schon nicht Kalle. It's his wifey.
It's his wife.
My wife is good with the GSM, huh? Yankee, wie fühlt das? Zoek mich nicht.
Ich bin schon ein Ingerman.
Huh? Die endigst da so conversations, huh? Wo's weiß die Bucherl?
Ich. Bin schon eine Tata.
Nice, Yankee. Ich kann von da checken. Schnitzelberger. Vergesst nicht allein in der Book, maar ze van mij verwinnen. Vergesst nicht. Communication.
Welcome everybody. I hope everybody will have a good Shabbos. So, have a button belt. There's some which have a tie-on belt, etc.
Bucherol, huh? Very nice. Very nice. Yankee. We wissen wel eens happy for that though. Bucherol allein. In bed singt in weint. Is in a bind. Sieht gut a Wab. Was an Tate, get the matrab. Let's go. Listen, it's the natural reaction, you know? Jetzt ist Yankee noch the sweet color Husten, weil you're still walking with a... Hey, du bist noch in der... Ich wollte sagen Schläuche. In der in der Schäfe Beruches? I don't remember. En noch jetzt wie der Meidl walkt noch mit der Strammelbox and everybody just drive by and says...
Ah, so cute.
HBS, have a lovely one. Enjoy, have a successful and awesome and amazing and geschmackige talk. Your wife is listening too. Hello, Yankees T wife. His wife. Hello and welcome. You never knew that you can smile so much. Huh? Nice. Mazel tov, mazel tov. The happiness should be amazing. The argument should be amazing. And the makeup should be amazing. From the arguments. Wait, is it Esty? Hold on. Is that our Esty, the bestie? Huh? Ich habe nicht so gut mitnehmen. Sie kijkt hoe die zit aan pur problemen. But don't worry. We get it. There's somewhere here, we're gonna see it. Wait, is it Esty? Yankee. Lipa B. Good morning. Die is het oog jetzt gaat en ik ga een check eraan met aan wab. I'm just saying, you gotta top that. Welcome. So says SD. Ladies and gentlemen, it's SD. The bestie. Nice. Whew. So exciting. Thank you. You made our days here. Behind every great man, there is a great woman. Die has this, Esti. The better you are, the stronger you are, the more supportive you are, the more you say, Yankee, you could do it, the better he will be. Das wissen. The more support and stark, the more suppers die machst du, the more... Wenn kommt daheim, öffnest du auf die Tieren, die warst für ihn mit der Schmeichel, auch vieles nicht so gering sometimes. Wissen, it makes a difference. Sally, you gotta walk. Have a great day. Ich gehe einfach nach checken, du hast a minute. When are you inviting the young couple for supper? I think they have their own life. They don't need me. Wow, so Yankee, nice. Thank you for that round check. So nice. As long as ich weiß, as you guys are a team, in the Welt is enker sport, and you gotta help each other's back, then you guys are good. For good and for bad, you know? You as well, Sally. Als Sachmu vergesst man meint dat the enemy is in dezelfde hoos wie dir. No. You should know. You know what I'm saying? En als Sachmu darf man wissen, als Gata Chaver verskoopt me gewoon als zijn Wab, geht hem een bisschen, sie bitcht een bisschen. Aber gesagt, gut. Von wem denn willst du so bitchen? Zu der Neighbor? Wegen dir? You get what I'm saying? But as long as it's a joint effort, you guys are good. GYG. Good morning, good morning. Wenn Sachen gehen geht, immer gedenkt, dass es nicht die Kinds. Die Sache ist, wenn es geht nicht geht. Die Sache ist, wenn es ist tough. Es regnet in draußen, es ist rough. Then you look at each other and you're like, it's us against them. Then you will survive. GYG, hello and welcome. How you doing? Dee-da-doo, dee-da-da-dee-da-da. Dee-da, oh, yo, 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 yo. We got a young couple on board. I see what you're saying. Yankee T geschickt du, hold on. Nicht Yankee T, wie heißt das? Alles geht so geschickt du a Video. Lass mal sehen, was redt von. Lass mal sehen. Etwas a Chippe sucht so. Wo ist der Chippe? Lass mal sehen. Oh, Salzband, okay.
Beautiful. Beautiful. We're doing it now. Better give me this one. This one's not on. It works. It works. Is it on? Baruch haba. Baruch haba.
Why are we watching this?
Baruch haba.
Oh, I stopped for the lemon. I got this.
Me'adir al hakol mi baruch
Lemmer darf never shackle on the cup. Yeah, you got this.
al hakol mi gadol al hakol mi gagul al hakol.
Hey, getting it. Hello and welcome. Good morning, good morning. What tut sag? Ich kenn's mir nicht jung, Lemmer will nicht lachen jetzt. Oh, he's getting into it. Ich meine, the real hero is the Salzband keyboard guy. Macht ihm einen Ton. Die Intention ist dort. Go that Yiddish. Good morning. How you doing? Reich.
Son. VS.
Listen, the intention is dort gewesen.
Thank you.
You sure can.
Das gewesen der Seite von der Hosen? I guess so. I guess ganz Leben hat man ihm gesagt, wie Shiner kann singen. Good at Yiddish, how are you? Hey, getting it, how are you? What's happening? Ba-da-ba-ba. Much better, thank you for asking. Nice. VSR combo. 131 billion. Leadership. Trump got them to release the Epstein file with genius reverse psychology. Supposedly had wie heißt der episode Republican gebrengt auf the House floor als will releasen and the Democrats haben es geblockt. The Democrats haben es nicht gewollt in draußen. Let's be real. Wenn die wollten sie es schon lange rausgegeben. Let's be real. He acted like he was sweeping it under the rug so they could come and rage and demanded his file. Stable genius. The question is, when wird es released? Sie geworden released? Sie geht werden released? And supposedly, I think he was an informant. No? Again, I don't know. Supposedly, they're giving an informant there. The Democrats are both just as guilty as this scandal. Yep. Agreed. I kinda agree. They released 20,000 documents yesterday. And I don't understand. Ich verstehe nicht. This is so confusing. Jeffrey Epstein, ich gewähne als Dreikopf mit als Klieger situation. He didn't have a dead man switch. Alle soll rauskommen if they kill him. And also, if he didn't want it to come out, he didn't have a switch to delete everything. Von einer Minute macht der Sound wie a crazy person. In der anderen Minute ist the smartest, noch dem nicht. I don't know. Jokes on them, I read it years ago. They were in power and they didn't give it out. So, I'm gesicht jede Sache gegen him. So, something doesn't smell right, I would say. Review Ellie Weather's podcast? I don't know. I feel like I should let him be, you know? Hey, getting it. I feel like I should let him be. If you know what I mean. No, he was loyal to them and they wouldn't release it. It's bad for business. I see what you're saying. Okay. Oh, gemein, the dog should I do? Pira pa pa pa, pira pa pa pa. Sie viel wie der Eulam is hat sich beruhigt wegen Mandani, just by the way. Can we talk about the CIA's Miami station? What about it? What about it? What do you want to talk about? Fascinating stuff. Wie steimer ins Du. All right. Oh, you know what? Lass mal watchen ein bisschen von Long Island Audit. The reason for which I to watch Long Island Audit is because I get a sach knowledge. Wie me behaved. And it me schon personally herausgeholfen, meaning ich habe gewatcht an Videos und ich habe gehabt interaction mit police officers, then I reingekommen pretty hot. And wenn nicht für ihn, things would have been way more out of control. So, ich sehe das mehr, besides für die Interessantkeit, sehe ich es auch für Learning, die kannst du auch schon in einer Seite sagen, but auch mehr auf der Therapy-Seite, wenn ich watch das, in Plätzen wie mein Blood Pressure wollte raufgegangen und ich wollte zurückgeschrieben, nehme ich deep breaths, beruhig mich, so wie ein Training von mir. So, es ist mehr educational.
You're not allowed to have...
No, I'm not going to stop. I'm up to you to speak to you, man.
Hold on, lass mal Okay. Punish leave the previous.
Hey, what's up, guys? Long Island Audit here, back again with another installment of Throwback Thursday. Today's audit takes place at the Sudley North Government Center in Virginia, where security calls law enforcement to physically remove me from the building, but they end up just cop-splaining instead. Let's get into it.
Are you with the county?
With Prince William County?
Yes.
No, I'm not with the county. No.
Okay. Are you filming?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm taking some pictures and video. Who are you?
I'm Linda Nielsen.
Linda. Nice to meet you, Linda. My name's Sean.
Okay. And why are you taking...
Says wie cool and calm and collective it is. Wird nicht aufgeregt, schreit nicht. He doesn't forget the game.
pictures?
Oh, I'm just taking some pictures and video of the facility here.
For what?
Oh, I'm an independent journalist.
Okay. You're not allowed to have any cameras in here.
Why would that be, Linda?
Because we're taking personal information while you're standing up there filming us.
Personal information?
For personal property.
I don't understand.
People are talking about their personal information.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
No, it's not fine. You're not. It says no cameras.
Oh, yeah, the sign there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw the sign.
Okay.
It's an unconstitutional sign.
Eddie?
Linda's not happy.
Linda is not happy.
Sir, you cannot film.
I'm sorry?
You're not able to film, and the sign shows that.
No, I see the signs.
Okay, so can you stop filming?
No, I'm not going to.
Okay, we're going to go to...
Who are you?
No, who are you? I want information. Because the sign says that you cannot film.
I'm going to ask you to leave the premises or call the police. Have the escort.
And he needs to delete.
Oh, who are you, sir?
And he needs to delete. Oh, de hebben warfen maar zellige laws. Zij warfen zeggen demands.
I'm not deleting anything. That's not going to
My
happen.
name's Eddie Olson.
Eddie Olson?
Security for the county lease building.
You're private security, correct?
Private security for the county.
For the county, correct.
So I'm asking you to leave the building or stop filming.
Is this a public building? It's a county building, correct?
It's a county lease building, yes, sir, but you're not allowed to do any videotape in here without express permission of the county, to the county board.
Is that a law?
That's county policy.
Oh, yeah, but it's not a law, right?
I didn't say that.
There's the gelijk tussen policy and law?
Oh, okay.
According to county policy, and you're in a county lease building.
Yeah, I'm in a public building. I understand that.
You're in a building that's leased by the county, accessible to the public.
Exactly.
And you're not allowed to videotape it.
Publicly accessible
Usually
building.
You can't come in without getting permission.
News crews? What would be the difference between myself and a news crew? It doesn't matter.
No, I'm just inviting you. They can't come without permission to film.
Oh, they sure can. We have freedom of press in this country.
All right. Well, I'm just telling you the county's policy. It says if you want to leave, you want me to call the county police, have you escorted.
I don't want you to call the police, no, but we have freedom. We have freedom of press.
Film, you can stay.
Yeah, we have freedom of press. So anywhere I'm allowed to be. Is the general public allowed in this building?
The public that has to come in for a purpose of business.
Yeah, the general public.
Yes, sir.
General public's allowed in this building.
To come in and carry on business with county.
Correct.
Services.
Okay.
Are you seeking any county services?
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm just taking some pictures and video first.
Well, you going to stop video, and I'll call the police, have you escorted out. What do you?
No, I'm not gonna stop recording.
Okay.
I'm not gonna stop recording.
I'll call county police, have you escorted out. No problem.
I did not give you permission to do this.
Zet dit zeg maar called 911.
Yeah, well, you talked to me first, ma'am, so I just want to know who you are. Did you not speak to me first? I didn't come up to you to speak to you, ma'am. As you guys can see over here, law enforcement.
Dit gaat daar roos, als ik moet to the cops. Just see, prove my point.
Has arrived. Hopefully they...
nicht kein Instigators. Du hast gesagt, First Amendment Auditors, wo sind Instigators? Ich watch, als du einer, vergessen seinen Namen, wo es ist stark instigating. Nicht. Just wants to teach for the viewers and for the Menschen da.
He is educated on our First Amendment right. That policy is not law. How are you, sir?
How you doing?
I'm doing well.
Everything okay today?
I believe they called regarding me. Do you mind if I just get your name?
Well, let me talk to them and find out what's going on first.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Hi,
Hansberger.
hello and welcome.
Your badge number, Hansberger? Just so I know who I'm talking to, that's all.
2338.
2338?
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Die kennen zijn body language, do. When I get him a bait for the... I bet him zijn noemen zijn badge number, and I get him as a kikoon, as a how dare you.
What's going on first?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Officer Hansberger.
Hansberger. And your badge number, Hansberger?
Siehst, I get to say, wer bist die? Wo bist die? Huh? Was fragst du mir, die peasant?
Just so I know who I'm talking to, that's all.
2338.
2338.
And they get a less
Thank you,
on the
sir. I
fire.
appreciate you.
How are you, Chaim?
Who did you speak to in here, do you know?
Oh, the security guard and some of the women at the tax office.
Okay.
They seem to think that it's illegal or to record and take some pictures. Yeah, sure, no problem, officer.
Who did you talk to?
This woman over here. Law enforcement arrived, sir.
It's kind of obvious, sir.
No.
It's kind of obvious. That was funny.
I thought taking pictures in public would be obvious, but I don't think it's obvious to you.
This is Jimmy.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Walked around tough, trying to own the situation. Cops haben as a Sache, wie sie davon controlling the situation, which I kind of understand in certain aspects, because die willst haben the upper hand of a call, you know, die will sagen, die wissen nicht nachlaufen, die willst haben the authority, but das sag mal, because sie geht daran in den Kopf und the egotistic, verlieren sie sich.
Ma'am, would you mind if I got your name and badge number? Just so I know who's here.
Yeah, give me just 1 second.
Oh, sure. No.
Dit is me versucht, give me 1 second. Wo können sie nicht jungen Nummern in this? Because it's ego. Du gehst schon daran ego.
Problem. No problem. Let's see if they enforce your feelings or law.
Also wie einer sucht, the ambulance. Man darf callen the ambulance.
They're not policy enforcement. Hi, sir. How are you?
Hey, good. How are you?
Hi. You mind if I get your name and badge number, please?
Yeah, Officer Ponrowskis, 3087.
Thank you, sir.
Zij is wie nonchalant is. Zij is wie calm, cool and collective is. Had niet de ego up as how you doing?
I appreciate you.
One eternity later.
Sir.
Hey, you mind talking me out here?
Yeah, sure. We can talk out there. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem.
Zij get him caught in a directive. Followed because weet niet intimidated. A zweit, de andere order was zich watch. Wil no. Ik wil rennen met haar door.
What's the problem?
What's the problem?
I really don't know what the issue is. I didn't need to speak with anybody here. I wasn't like getting in front of like anybody or disrupting business. I was just walking around the halls here, the publicly accessible area.
Held the phone, by the way, auf sein Hand. Hat nicht kein Tripod, hat nicht kein Gimbal oder anything. And wie calm held the phone. There's vast as wie calm is.
Just taking some pictures and videos of the signs and everything. I'm an independent journalist. My name is Sean.
Dus hij gaat er weg en ik zie machen. Hij gaat er weg, sag mir, wie viel er darf nicht sagen sein Nummern. Und er geht er weg, also, das wissen, als ich bin du easy. Like, I get that chance. I like it off an olive branch.
You know, and then they started yelling at me and, you know, kind of escalating.
In ook ik denk, get the stories. You know, zocht daar maar over dat.
Trying to say that their policy is that I can't record in this building, but even their own signs don't say that. They say you can't record beyond this point. And either way, the sign would be unconstitutional. As you know, I'm just, you know, exercising my freedom of press right, just trying to de-escalate the situation here and, you know, exercise my rights peacefully. That's all.
Ze heeft gegeven nog een beetje information. Als nur doet die constitutional right. En zo wie een muscle zoekt er. If you ain't use them, you lose them.
Okay, it doesn't sound like it's working.
I mean, I can't control what other people do. I didn't force the security guard to call the police. I talked to him the same way I'm talking to you guys. You know, I tried to explain to him what I'm doing here, and you know, I told him I'm not breaking any laws, that there was no need to call law enforcement. But I can't control what people do, so they decided to call you.
Zes wieso sie steht du mit as ready to attack. Sag mal, kann man sehen, wie a cop wird gelernt, like he gets taught a lesson, en ook dat dritte cop just walkt heran mit der ego, en hij draait hem te pointen, ein cop point de andere, like, beruhig.
We're up there recording inside through the windows, I guess they were saying?
Well, no, just passing. Yeah, okay. I was going to tell you what happened.
Is there's a lot of people
personal
information
there you go.
To them, paying taxes and whatnot.
Yeah.
And that's kind of their policies. They don't want people up there recording, kind of like at the DMV where you don't go with your phone recording because it's people's personal information.
Oh, I do stories at the DMV all the time, and it's never. I just came from the DMV. I do stories on all government buildings.
That's fantastic. I'm just letting you know.
Oh, no.
That's fantastic.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just concerned.
Okay, yeah, but their concern is unwarranted, in my opinion, sir.
Okay. So
I'm not getting anybody's private information.
What's your further plan for today?
To continue to get content for my story, sir.
Okay, and which is what?
To stay here and continue to get content in my story.
Richt zich niet.
Excuse me, officer. He's videotaping clients coming in for sources, DSS, that right to privacy. I explained that to him. He take the video.
They don't have a right to privacy, sir. And I'm not recording anybody in particular, sir.
They don't appreciate being videotaped.
No one even told you that. You're just saying that.
No, I told you that to your face.
No one told you that, sir.
We're not doing this.
I mean, he did it, not me. Ma'am, I'm sorry. Just in case, I never got your name and badge number.
Officer Russell 2557.
What?
Officer Russell.
Russell. 2557. Thank you, Russell.
Dus doet zij zo'n, de kap zal zijn, oké, niet kan threat, hurdle up, laat me zien wat de situation is, brecht niet de lock, gegangen, next, am shichala. But no, de ego komt eraan, met misgewinnen.
Is it a county building?
It's a county police building.
Which means a county building.
County state office.
Deze moest je doen, personally wat ihr geworden wees. Wie het zich, du darf ich nemen naar die breath. En deze helft me gaat de next move op interactions met de kap, oder deze, know your rights, know your laws. En jetzt ist es schon ein Glitcher erop. Jetzt fängt es schon an werden, wieso gehe ich schlingen der Ego? Wieso gehe ich wegkicken? From their perspective.
Public space, you just obviously can't go restrict areas.
Once we have a clear policy, we take the county building, the county council.
I understand, but he has certain rights, which he's allowed, and which we're not going to
He doesn't have rights. We all have these rights.
violate. Okay, so he's able to be here in public spaces. The concern with, sir, is just you being up there next to the glass.
No, never happened.
Recording.
Never happened. I was never next to the glass. I can understand that concern.
Close enough, I guess, to concern them. That's what I'm being told. That's what I'm relaying to you.
Yeah.
You were at the glass window when I approached you.
Yeah, because the woman was talking to me. I was talking to her, sir.
Videotaping it?
Yeah. I'm not gonna stop videotaping. Yeah, somebody's talking to me.
You're videotaping people going in social services. They don't appreciate it.
I don't know if I've even gotten one person, but it doesn't matter. That's not my intent, sir. I'm not trying to start anything. I'm just trying to exercise my rights peacefully, like I told the officers. And there's no law being broke.
I'll talk to Tom Floyd. Tom is right here.
I mean, is that person here? Do you want to talk?
No, Tom's not the door. He's a liaison for our family.
Talk to them.
Ziota starke eagle, mama.
Oh, there's no reason for any of this. The officer here said that it's a public building. We can't remove him from the public building. So they're probably very triggered over that. No. My name's Sean. That's all. That's all.
Zest, beten de Nummern. Ich gehe da kap nach beten de Nummern. Wenn nicht ihr soll watchen, die episodes, like Long Island Audit, wat gejuist wusstet in, ich will geben mal Nummern. Ich bin sehr cool, calm and collective, kann ich gegeben mal Nummern, weil kann ich gedacht legally geben mal Nummern, ich gewiss wie ich stehe. So, das ist nicht just for fun zu watchen, das ist auch highly educated.
That's all I want.
Educational, I mean.
I feel comfortable giving you.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that with a W or a U?
S-E-A-N.
Oh,
S-E-A-N.
There was a third way, guys.
There was a third way.
So just Sean, yeah?
Yeah, just Sean.
No last name. And what did you say you worked for again?
Oh, no, I just work for myself. I'm independent. I'm an independent journalist.
Oh, didn't you say there was something you worked, like maybe a blog or?
No. No, I'm just independent. I work on freelance stories.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do you live in the area?
No, I don't live in the area.
Okay. All right, Sean. Well, here's the deal, okay? This is a public
deal. Hij zoekt hem de deal.
Building. You're able to be here.
Yeah,
okay.
Thank you. So de andere geverman bij mij gewacht, wat jetzt im Ausstellung, don't give me directives. Lass mich op. Hij wil gemacht keulen auf ihm. Sean is ruhiger, calm.
Here's the deal, and I don't want to hear anything that comes after it, but I'm going to let you go ahead.
Yeah.
I don't want you to tell me what to do.
To just diffuse the situation.
I know. I mean,
get out of here, okay?
I hope so.
You obviously want to be here. I don't want to be here, okay?
Yeah.
I'm not telling you.
You're not detained. I promise.
You can't detain me.
Ich will nicht du sein. Well, bist nicht detained. Ganz geil.
It's a joke.
Okay, so here's the deal.
Yeah.
You're able to be here. As long as it's not through a door like that says you can't go through it. Do you understand?
All right, I'm done with this conversation now. Thank you. Have a great day, sir.
Zest, the reason that nicht geämpfert für ja oder nein is the cop leint nicht the situation. Leint nicht the room. Just will geben seine directives and feeling it. Obviously, do I mention with a camera, and obviously it seems like he knows what he's doing. He's obviously not intimidated. Why would you say something wenn du ein riesiges Sign auf der Tür restricted area oder mit a keypad oder staff only? Why would you say that? It's just because of the ego. Sie darf es herausgeben. Ich habe ihm gesagt, der letzte Wort. And they don't know. Check that out. I got the hand.
Sit here and
exactly.
stand here and listen to him explain to me on where I cannot go. I hate it when they do that. He was doing so good too. There was no need for any of that.
Yeah.
You can't see these red signs right here.
Exactly. Große riesige Signs. Was darf man Kap der sagen?
Says stop. Restricted area only. Personnel only. You can't go in there. And then he waits for me to answer like, no. Not gonna happen. I try and be respectful and I try and, not escalate the situation, but I'm not gonna be talked to like I'm some child.
Yes.
by public servants. So we're gonna hang out for a few more minutes and then we're gonna be getting out of here.
This is so educational.
Our point was proven.
Yes. Lessons were learned.
He could take everybody's information.
I support your freedom of speech right to say that.
Exactly. Proving his point.
Just like you, trying to escalate a situation. Trying to tell people that I'm the bad guy with the camera. You don't tell people about the cameras that are already here.
All right, fellow patriots, I chose to highlight this particular order in this week's Throwback Thursday to illustrate that policy, even when backed up with signage, does not supersede the United States Constitution. I know it seems obvious, but apparently, as we've seen, there are public servants across this country who think otherwise. Private security companies working for municipalities, like the one featured in this video, are always severely undereducated. I wonder what it feels like to think that law enforcement is going to physically remove someone from the building just to be educated on the people's constitutional rights. The animosity our public servants have for us never ceases to amaze me. Thankfully, the law enforcement officers didn't violate my rights this time. But in my opinion, they could have been a lot more professional and cordial with me, and I definitely did not need the cop-splaining and the here's the deal speech.
Exactly.
They should have been giving that speech to the public servants and then went about their day. But it's always the ego that doesn't allow them to just leave. Either way, I will always be here to expose this kind of behavior by our public servants. We the people need to demand high standards in public service.
Exactly.
This is our government. We need to wake up and realize that it's not about left or right. It's about up and down. But let me know your thoughts on this one in the comment section below. Hit the like button and share this video anywhere you can on social media so it can be seen by as many people as possible. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I truly appreciate all of your continued support. As always, stay safe. God bless. I'll see you in the next one. Long Island Audit.
Peace.
Peace.
So yes. Stark aan van deze channel. Ik watch hem, ik ben een groot supporter van hem. Just of the fact, we zijn leren ons, educational, maakt dan life safer, all that. Ze doen andere, we zijn meer wilder, in schreien meer, in tien meer. Is meer ruhig, en we kunnen zich leren van hem. Which, that's why I like it. That's why I watch him the most. Is de eerste wem ik watch. So, yeah. Alright, Gevre. Sie kommen der Zeit. Wie man darf sich segnen. Man darf sagen goodbye. Sie kein mal nicht easy. No matter how many times I try. But I gotta do it. Gotta sagen goodbye. Wil gehen mal schauen, einen, was sie do gewesen eine lange Zeit. Eine kurze Zeit. Aber das haben wir ein auf andere Tab gemacht mit YouTube an der Tab. Aber warum ich mein dir. So thank you. Sean is the GOAT. Yes, he's amazing. Cool, calm and collective. Wil gehen mal schauen für alle likers, sharers, commenters, subscribers. And especially members. Van Duzan, van sharen, van liken, and van subscriben, and van helpen the channel, you know. Housekeeping, het is donderdag, so for the regular subscribers, have a lovely and awesome Shabbos, or the weekend, whatever floats the boat. For members, morgen, Friday, Nana Zeiger, 8:45 Nana Zeiger in the free live. It's bring me around the... So guys are members only. We brengt around the Shabbos. We brengt around the weekend. We try to create a vibe. And so meer dat chilled, fratig. We hear Shabbos, Erev Shabbos music and Shabbos music. And we just schmoed into it. Sam K. Hello and welcome. So this is for morgen. Die willst supporten the channel. Kannst es dir auf viel Weg. Kannst liken, sharen, commenten, subscriben. Kannst, die willst dir mehr, kannst werden ein Member. Und die willst schicken a Quick Pay, kannst du schicken zu viggivibes@gmail.com oder kannst du schicken bei supporten the channel bei buymeacoffee.com/viggivibes. Das ist gepinte address on top, die willst. Die willst schicken etwas für the Unboxing Monday. Ich habe noch eine Mailbox open as of now till by the end of this month. If it's something you want to do, if something gets here, I will open it on Monday, 10 o'clock in the morning. I do unboxing. That is that. All right, Gevre. Thank you all for being here. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for the opportunity. Schkoich for the, for the geben dem. Wieso heißt das? For the like, for the share, for the comments. And ich bin sehr grateful. So, thank you all. And until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.